Hi folks, we have a leather seat here with house paint on it. So it's latex white paint on a black leather seat. And it's been here for a while. Regular cleaners and water just doesn't dissolve it. So we're going to use the Chief 100, but we're using it at low pressure. So I'm going to use the horsehair brush and the 3-hole nozzle to disperse the steam. And we want to get the paint hot to dissolve it, and then hopefully the horsehair brush, which won't scratch the seat, will get rid of it. We don't want to use any kind of nylon on a leather seat like this. We don't want to scratch it. So it should come out. It might take a little bit, but we should dissolve the paint and be able to get it out. So the heat of the steam is starting to melt the paint. We're not hurting the leather. Using a more aggressive brush, we'd get it done a little faster, but then we'd be risking ruining the seat. Here's a bigger spot right here. There's no cleaner on the seat. There's no cleaners in the steam. It's just hot steam dissolving the paint. The hotter the paint gets, the easier it's going to be to dissolve. Now this paint's been here, this is my car. This paint's been here probably for about 6 months. And I'm turning the car in off lease, so I gotta get the paint out now. And I was waiting to do this video. If I would have done this as soon as the paint got here, it probably would be coming up faster. Would have made for a slightly better video, but it's coming out and we're not damaging the seat. And I'm not going to be charged for it. So we have plenty of steam. We're not running out of steam because it's under low pressure. So I can keep working back and forth. Now, some people wonder if the constant heat on the seat is going to discolor the leather. It's not going to discolor the leather. The heat dissipates really quick. Now, that's hot to my touch, but we're not hurting anything by doing this. Even though these seats are perforated, we're not hurting anything underneath. I notice I haven't even wiped it yet. This is just steam and the horsehair brush. So we're not scrubbing even with the microfiber towel. Now if I want to scrub a little bit, that last little bit of paint comes off, even right here. So in this main area, we haven't discolored the leather, we haven't scratched it. I have a little bit more work to do right here. And while the seat is still a little bit damp, you can scrub it with the microfiber towel. And there shouldn't be any need to dress this either after it's all done. And this is pretty dry now. So we have a pretty good look. And if I got to go over it one more time, I can go over it just to get some little dots that are stuck in the perforations out. But you can get paint out of a leather seat even if it's been there for a while by using the steamer, having a little patience, and the right attachments.